Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer goods. Today, we're diving into the world of travel convenience with a product that's making flying with your little one a breeze. I'm your host, and let's jump right into it. Introducing the YOREPEK padded car seat travel bag backpack. This innovative solution is designed to ease the stresses of air travel with young children. From its durable construction to its thoughtful design features, let's explore why this travel bag is becoming a must-have for parents everywhere. First up, let's talk compatibility. This travel bag boasts a generous size of 28 by 18 by 18 inches, providing ample room to accommodate most major brand car seats. Whether you have a convertible, infant, or booster seat, rest assured, this bag has got you covered. But it's not just about space, it's about convenience too. The YOREPEK travel bag can be easily folded according to vivid packing instructions, ensuring hassle-free storage when not in use. Plus, its water-resistant polyester fabric makes cleaning a breeze, perfect for those unexpected spills or messes. Now, let's talk comfort and safety. Padded interior wings and an internal fixing strap keep your infant car seat securely in place during transit. And with adjustable padded backpack straps and a waist strap, carrying your car seat through the airport is a hands-free experience, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your little one. But what about durability? Well, this travel bag is built to last. With thick feet on the bottom and a dual lockable zipper opening, your car seat stays protected from scratches, dirt, and damage, ensuring it arrives at your destination in pristine condition. And let's not forget about convenience. The YOREPEK travel bag includes elastic pockets on both sides, providing extra storage space for diapers, towels, or other essentials. Plus, its clear ID pocket makes it easy to spot your bag in the hustle and bustle of the airport. So whether you're jetting off on a family vacation or simply heading to grandma's house for the weekend, the YOREPEK padded car seat travel bag backpack is your ultimate travel companion. With its thoughtful design, durability, and ease of use, it's no wonder why parents everywhere are making the switch. And there you have it, folks, another fantastic product dissected here on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth analyses of today's hottest items. Until next time, happy travels. This is your host, signing off. Thanks for watching.